Hello everyone, in this video we will review Synthesia AI. Synthesia AI is a popular AI video tool that helps creators and businesses make professional-looking videos without needing cameras or actors. It uses AI avatars and voiceovers to turn text into videos in just a few minutes. You simply type your script, choose an AI avatar, search voice and language, and Synthesia does the rest. It supports over 120 languages and has many avatars to match different business styles or content needs. This makes it great for creating training videos, product demos, marketing content, and even YouTube videos. The platform is easy to use even for beginners. You don't need any video editing skills. Everything happens online and the results look clean and professional. Businesses like that because it saves time and money. There's no need to hire actors, rent equipment, or too long editing work. Creators enjoy it because they can produce video faster and keep content fresh. However, while the avatars and voiceovers are high quality, they can still feel a little robotic at times. It's not ideal for very emotional or dramatic content. Also, the free version has limited features and the full version requires a paid plan. Overall, Synthesia AI is one of the best AI video tools for creators and businesses who want fast, easy, and professional video content. If you need simple videos for training, marketing, or tutorials, it's definitely worth using. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.